if you're a Shopify store owner in 2022, here's how you can get your first Shopify sale without Facebook ads, without spending a dime on Google ads, TikTok, even posting organically, okay? So right now, if you look at, how much attention costs, we could see ad costs, we can see, maybe some SEO, which is search engine optimization, which is, getting blog posts and doing backlinks and trying to get your keywords to rank high. You could look at Google ads, you could look at, Facebook, IG, YouTube, right? But there's actually a really big blue ocean, and it's TikTok organic. So TikTok allows you to just get a lot more reach for your posts. We could spend all day posting organically on Instagram, Facebook, and spending all that time doing these little micro posts, hitting the right hashtags that we think are gonna make us money or get us organic followers and, people in our ecosystem, but it's completely false. It's just way too hard right now to grow organically. So instead, what you wanna do is you wanna find TikTok influencers who are, kind of your ideal avatar, who have a good following and that you could ship your product to, and they're really underpriced right now. So TikTok influencers, it's the quickest way to get your first Shopify sale. It's just simply finding a TikTok influencer, paying them, getting a video, and then having them post it to their followers.